so cool about manufacturing?
To figure this out, we went to Amerisend. Now, what does Amerisend do?
Amerisend is a packaging-focused family of companies comprised of HPT Pharma, Automotion Technologies, Elmark Packaging, and Ameripac. They're located in the northeastern U.S. and offer a variety of services, parts, and equipment to support packaging, labeling, and coding solutions.
It's not difficult. It's getting the hours of use of using the machine. Once you learn the machine, you'll find so many different things you can do on it. Then it's pretty plain and simple.
If you're someone who likes to get your hands dirty, if you like working with your hands, and even at Damien's point, I wouldn't discount the idea of just like a technical school or learning a trade, because they're really marketable and there might not be a boatload of jobs for them, but the jobs that are available are only going to get bigger because people are migrating away. So they're really valuable skills. It's good work. You can get jobs in it, and honestly they'll pay pretty well because no one's doing it anymore. And if you have those skills, it's a really good thing to learn. I've met many people who I've worked with over the years who they aren't technical engineers. They don't have a degree, and they might have started as just a ground level mechanic, but they've worked their way up to engineers or high-level technical people without a degree because of that motivation.
You won't find many people under 50 in our trade, and that's the key to getting young people involved in it.
I think it's really important that you just have someone who has a desire to learn, because the thing is, with engineering, with manufacturing, with any math or science-based job, a lot of these, when you get a job, it's skills that you can learn on the job and that you can be trained on. The most important thing is that you're actually motivated. So when you look for a job and you're applying for jobs, make sure it's something you really want to do. It's something you.
So now you know what's so cool about manufacturing.